This in from the National Weather Service in Grand Forks on this Wednesday afternoon. Drifty snow today and tomorrow may lead to slick spots and minor travel impacts. The big news, strong winds are expected on Friday. Potential winter impacts range from a dusting of snow and drifting snow to blizzard conditions and snow squalls. Uncertainty tied to any crust that may develop on snowpack before these stronger winds. Hazardous wind chills this weekend through early next week. Wind chills of minus 40 or lower are expected across eastern North Dakota and northern Minnesota. It will be very windy on Friday, along with at least isolated snow showers throughout the day. Most likely conditions, snowpack is crusted, not blowable, and remains crusted. Isolated snow showers bring reduced visibility for brief periods. Low chance scenario, snowpack is not crusted, and crust breaks due to strong winds. Snow showers and blowing snow bring significantly reduced visibility to much of the region. Confidence of hazardous wind chills of minus 30 to minus 50 degrees below zero will occur across much of the region this weekend. If planning outdoor activities or travel during this period, keep in mind that frostbite could occur in as little as 5 minutes. So some very cold temperatures coming in Friday into next week. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.